In this video, we will review DT990 Pro Professional Open Dynamic Headphone Edition, as well as its very dynamic DT990 Pro X Open Back Studio headphones. So let's head over and see which one is the best headphones for gaming and music, if it's the Professional Open or the Open Back Studio. So in terms of sound quality, it has excellent, an exceptional clarity and detail, while it has often immersive soundstage with treble emphasis, which ends to be too bright or fatiguing over long sessions without EQ. For the gaming and use, it's also good for wide soundstage that helps locate audio cues such as footsteps on the environment. However, it has no built-in mic and open design leak sounds, not ideal if you need isolation or voice chat built in. As for the music, it has fantastic for critical listening and genres where separation or detail matters. As for the comfort and builds, it has velour ear fats and it has limited limitations. So for the producers and audio engineers or music lovers and gamers, it's actually best for it. So on this case, the DT990 Pro series, including the X variants, remains one of the best choices for gaming audio fidelity and music detail listening. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.